I walked a road where shadows stayed. Every dream began to fade. Empty pockets, restless nights. Still I searched for distant lights. The world kept saying turn around, but hope was louder than the sound. Every scar became a guide. Every tear I learned to hide. When the sky refused to shine, I became my own sunrise. Every fall became the fire, lifting me a little higher. I'm rising through the rain, breaking every chain. Every heartbeat whispers you were born again. Even when the mountains stand, I'll climb them hand in hand. With the dreams inside my soul, they'll never let me go. I'll keep running toward the light, even through the darkest night. This is not the end of me. This is who I'm meant to be. I met fear 1,000 times, heard it speaking through my mind, but courage answered every doubt, showing me another route. Every no became a key, unlocking who I chose to be. Broken wings can learn to fly if they never stop the try. If tomorrow never knows my name, I'll still be proud I play the game. Because a life that's lived with heart can never truly fall apart. And if one soul finds hope in me, that's the greatest victory. Not the gold or fame I find, but the light I leave behind. I'm rising through the rain. Nothing was in vain. Every wound has shaped the strength flowing through my veins. When the whole world says goodbye, I'll still reach beyond the sky. Every dream begins with one who refuses to stop. I'll keep running till I see every promise made to me. The storm can never steal the flame. I'll rise again. I'll rise again. I'll rise again. The night may hold the stars away, but dawn is never lost. Every ending hides a start, and hope still beats inside the heart.